Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Vista's learning classes. I'm your maths tutor, Shruthi. I hope everyone remember our Vista's vision. That is, we are not only focusing on right to education, it is right to quality education. And our services are V-Learning, VSMS. V-Learning, well, it's an online platform where you can find Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Vista's learning classes. I'm your maths tutor, Shruthi. I hope everyone remember our Vista's vision. That is, we are not only focusing on right to education, it is right to quality education. And our services are V-Learning, VSMS. V-Learning, well, it's an online platform where you can find many animated concepts. VSMS, Vista School Management System, where you can track the students' progress. And what is the website? It is www.vlearning.in. So at the same time, we'll be going live both in our website as well as our YouTube channel. And the messages which you chat in the website is all encrypted. That is, only I'll be knowing your messages. Now, let us come to a session. What have we dealt in the previous session? In the previous session, we have seen a beautiful chapter. What was that? Yes, it was algebraic expressions. So now I hope you are thorough with all the concepts and we know how to multiply the variables. Well, in English, we'll be calling it as alphabets, but here we'll be calling it as variables. And we have seen n number of new words. So what was that? Monomial, binomial, and on the whole, we'll be calling it as polynomial. That is, after 3 terms will be there. So now I hope you are clear with the terms, what exactly is coefficient. So now let us have a cross check what is remaining in your brain or what is the thing you have learned from the entire concept. So now what is that? It is multiple choice question. Let us have a look at the very first question. So the very first question is the expression x plus 3 is in. So now E is in. So here the options are 1 variable, 2 variable, no variable, none of this. So what is the meaning of variable? Well, as soon as you tell variable, I told you to remember one word. Variable means alphabets. So now how many alphabets are there? Here it is only 1. So now which is the option? It is very easy one. So it is the expression x plus 3 is in 1 variable. So now it is obviously having 1 variable over there. So which is the option? So let me take my pen. Yes. So now which is the option? It is option A over there. So now let us have a look at the second question. So the second question is the expression 4x y plus 7 is n. So again it is in the same option. So 1 variable, 2 variable, no variable, none of this. So how many variables are there? Here it is 2. Why? Because x, y are there. So now how many variable is there? It is option B over there. That is 2 variables. Let us have a look at the third question. So what exactly is the third question? The value of 5x when x is equal to 5 is. So value of x is equal to 5. As soon as you hear the value word, so I hope I told you to remember one thing, value. So value means the final answer or the result. So whatever let it be the question. If suppose the value of any variable has been given, you have to substitute in the question and find the final solution and find the final answer. So now x is equal to 5. What I have to do? I have to substitute over here. So now nothing is there means it is into operation. I hope you remember all the concept things, right? So now 5 into 5. So that obviously gives me 25. So this is option C over there. It is very easy, right? I hope you are solving along with me. So now let us have a look at the fourth question. The value of x square minus 2x plus 1 when x is equal to 1 is. So value of x square minus 2x. As soon as you hear the word value, it is finding the solution or finding the value. So now x is equal to 1. I have to substitute over here. So what does that mean? So that means one value I have to substitute in the expression. So now 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 1. So what is 1 square? 1 square, that gives me 1 minus 2 plus 1. So now many students will get confused over here. Make sure you always use the BOD-MOS rule. So bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So which is the first thing I have to do? It is addition. So nothing is there means it is also plus. So first this 2. Many students will do it as 1 minus 2. No, it is 1 plus 1. Again 1 plus 1, that gives me 2, and 2 minus 2. So what is 2 minus 2? That obviously gives me 0 over there. So I hope you are clear with this one. Let us have a look at the fifth question. So the very fifth question is, so the value of x square minus xy plus y square when x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So now you have to substitute the thing. So in this problem, if you are able to substitute in the expression, remember the entire chapter is very easy for you. So now x is equal to 0. And make sure you pay attention to this chapter when you compare with all the rest of the chapters, because this type is for sure for your grade 10 or grade 9. So this carries more marks, and this is the very easy one if you cultivate habit of playing with the alphabets, that is playing with the variables over there. So now x is equal to 0. So let me substitute. I hope you are doing along with me. 0 square minus 0 into y is equal to 1 plus again y is equal to 1 square. So this gives me 0 minus 0 plus 1 square. So what exactly is the final answer? So that gives me 1 itself. So which is the option? It is option C over there. Now let me ask you one question. If suppose there was minus 1. Now minus 1 the whole square. What was your answer? So remember one thing, when the power is even. So when the power is even, it becomes positive. So when the power is odd, that becomes negative sign. So remember this thing. So if you sit and multiply also, obviously you'll be getting the negative number. Instead of sitting and multiplying, just remember, even power positive, odd power it is always negative. So now let us have a look at the sixth question. So now the sixth question is, which of the following is a monomial? I hope you remember the new word mono. Mono means single, nomial, nomial means term. So which is having the single term? So monomial. So all this has many terms, right? So which is that easy one? So yes, by looking at itself we can tell. So it is option A over there. I hope you are clear with this one. Only 4x square, it is just having only one term. Now let us have a look at the seventh question. So now how many terms are there in the expression 5xy square? So how many terms are there? So terms means, I hope you remember this word meaning. So how many terms are there in the expression 5xy square? No need to sit and add the things. Okay, this is one term, second term, third term. No. So I hope you remember, if there is an operation of plus and minus, that is entirely one term. So I hope you remember this one. So how many terms are there? It is exactly having one term over there. Why? Because it is just into operation. So into is everything considered as one term itself. If it is plus and minus, then it is differentiated and we obviously count separately. So now let us have a look at the eighth question. How many terms are there in the expression 5xy plus 9yz plus 3zx plus 5x minus 4y. Now you can ask a question, ma'am, this is looking like a mess, I can't sit and count. No need to sit and count. So remember one thing, if it is multiplication, no. So you no need to sit and add. So this entire thing is considered as one term, two term, three term, four term and fifth term. So totally how many terms are there? Well, it is option D, that is 5 terms are there. Now the next question is the like terms of the following are. So in the concept things we have already discussed what exactly is the like terms and like terms. So like terms means the variables has to be same and make sure the power is also the same thing. So now like terms, unlike terms means it is entirely different. The word itself says unlike, which is not equal. So now the like terms of the following. So now 2x square 9x square, y square xy, xy 9a square, y square 9x square. If suppose, if the coefficients are same and if the variables are not same, remember that doesn't come under like terms. I hope you are understanding this one. So now let me take x square and y square. So now the coefficients are same, 1 and 1 are same, but that doesn't come under like terms because the variables are different. So here you have to have a look at the variables. So now it is 9x square and 2x square. So x square and x square both are same. So it is option A over there. So now let us have a look at the last question. So that is 10th question. The coefficient of xy in xy is. So coefficient, so cooperation. So what is the meaning of co? Co means together. So together, which is a number, that is numerical term which is having. So xy, along with that nothing is there. If nothing is there means it is always considered as 1. I hope you remember this one. So which is the option? It is option A over there. So I hope the session was very interesting, right? Because many students love playing with the 4 options because the answer will be already been given. You have to just stick over there by thinking or guessing over there. So now, if so, the session was very interesting. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. You can catch us in our Facebook page as well as on Instagram page. For that, you have to click the description below over there. Don't forget to press the bell icon to catch the live schedule of our updates. And what is in the next session? In the next session, we'll be upcoming with a new chapter. For that, you have to stay tuned to our channel. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.